Niagara Falls, here we come. This is a breathtaking natural wonder located on Niagara River, straddling the international border between Canada and the United States. The mist and the power of the falls can be experienced as people move close to them. The area is home to several world-class vineyards and wineries, producing some of Canada's best wines. The tours and tastings at these vineyards and enjoying the picturesque scenery are mandatory here. In addition to its natural beauty and attractions, Niagara Falls also has a beautiful native history. American tribes have lived in the area for thousands of years, and the first European explorers arrived in the 17th century. Over the years, the falls have attracted countless visitors and even been the site of several stunts and daredevil feats.